to my channel. So today I will tell you a speech on the topic environmental protection. Am I responsible? So let's start our speech. The year is 2010. We are out on a beach. The beach is cluttered with wrappers, empty cans and bottles. The environment is reeking of the stench by leftover rotting food, half-burned cigarettes and petrol. And just as we are struggling to get a whiff of fresh air, a welcome voice is heard. A can of fresh air, only rupees 100. What a sort of the world are we inheriting? Water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, landscape pollution, pollution everywhere. Like the Wordsworth says, I know wherever I goes that there has passed away a glory from the earth. All creatures of the earth, even animals also clean a place before they occupy it. Then why cannot we demand our elders to hand over a cleaner and healthier environment to us? A mile of walking will do you good, says Dad. And he takes his car out to go to the supermarket just a few blocks away. Water is precious, screams Mom, and she runs to discuss latest gossip over phone, leaving the tap running. Traffic on our roads is too much, but no one shares a car to go to a common destination. Electricity must be conserved, but we pull blankets over our bodies instead of switching off the ACs. Lights, fans, stereos, ACs, and videos are on with no people for company. My company pays the bills. I'm not worried, but then who is? Who is responsible? I must be the first person responsible. The word begins and ends with the first person who matters the most, I. Then why this question at all? Am I responsible? Industries are flourishing, but can we shut down the industries? The ozone layer is depleting. Then why not launch ourselves into the space with the needle and thread to mend the ozone? Do we really need a Superman to save this planet? No. Each of us can take on the responsibilities if only we would understand that I am the source. I am the both, the source and the target of the pollution. Am I not responsible to make sure all the lights and fans are switched off and not in use? Am I not responsible to ensure the environment is not polluted with cigarette smoke and garbage so carelessly strewn about by us? Owning a car is no more a status symbol. Surely we could forget our egos and share a car when going in the same direction. When responsibilities are seriously taken in this manner, the environment can no more be a nightmare. In fact, the nightmare could well turn into a dream, whereby all the youngsters will become so environment conscious that we will not have to ask ourselves this question: environmental pollution, am I responsible? So, so thank you guys all for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video and comment me. Bye. Stay home and stay safe.